Struggling to grow online? Discover how our digital solutions can boost your business, save time, increase revenue, and stay ahead of competitors. Ready to transform your business? Let's start today with Idea. Podcasting. Launch a show on trending or underserved topics. Monetize via sponsorships, ads, and premium content. Simple start with a good mic, editing software, and a distribution strategy. This is trending now. Print-on-demand merchandise. Create and sell custom designs on products, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, using a third-party pod service. You don't need inventory. Pod companies print and ship once an order is placed. Affiliate marketing. Create blogs, YouTube channels, or social profiles recommending products for commissions. Fast setup with potential for high returns if focused on trending or niche markets. Try this once. Niche drop shipping store. Launch an online store without holding inventory. Suppliers handle shipping and storage. Focus on underserved or trending niches for higher margins. Eco-friendly products, also gifts. Start virtual assistant services. Provide scheduling, online research, email management, and more for busy professionals. Quick to launch, minimal overhead, builds fast recurring income. Try to do this services. Freelance digital services. Video editing, graphic design, content writing, social media management, virtual assistant services, immediate demand, and quick onboarding through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Other, paid newsletters and communities. Monetize expert insights through premium newsletters, Substack, Patreon, or exclusive online groups. Also scalable income, loyal audience growth. Maybe you can start this today. Event and wedding planning. Plan and coordinate events, specializing in weddings or corporate meetings. Personalized stationery design. Create custom wedding invitations, business cards, and event stationery. If you want more less investment business. Smart home installation and support. Offer services to set up and maintain IoT and smart home devices. Local courier services. Start a local delivery business in native. So, the digital world is full of opportunities to your business journey. From idea to income, make it happen. This online era, success is just a click away. Make your move. Click, create, and grow. Turn on vision. Skill up. Plug in. Start earning with AI. Don't just learn a skill. Turn it into real income with AI now. The future of earning starts with your next skill. See you in the next Skill to Earn with AI video.